Alright guys, if you're a student, this one's for you because this is one of the smartest ways to make real money with AI in 2026. And I'm not talking about selling prompts or making random reels about AI. I'm talking about using MuleRun, an all-in-one AI workforce to actually deliver results for businesses like websites, brand kits, social content, video ads, automation, and then charging clients for the full package. Let me show you a real example. So a restaurant owner came to me and said they wanted their full digital presence sorted. They needed a website, branding, Instagram content, video ads, and automation. And they were also ready to pay 50,000 rupees and thought this would take around 2 weeks. But using MuleRun, I built the full package in just 2 hours. Like, we are talking about a real website with domain and booking database built with zero coding, a logo and a brand kit, a 15-day Instagram content pack, UGC food ads, a weekly marketing automation workflow, the whole thing. And today I'm going to show you the exact workflow step by step so you can do this for your clients too. And before we move on, if you're into AI tools, tech and practical ways to make money online, subscribe to Mobile App Daily because this is the kind of stuff we are going deep on. Now let's open MuleRun and start building. First, I'll log into MuleRun. On the left side, you can see Studio, Computer, Drive and CLI. Now Studio is where we'll create logos, brand assets and videos. Computer is MuleRun's 24/7 cloud machine, which I'll use later for a separate operational workflow. Drive stores all our generated assets and files. And CLI is for advanced users who want to run MuleRun from their terminal. But we'll start from the main task box. For the website, I don't want MuleRun to just write the website copy. I want to build something real, a real restaurant could use. Like a live website with booking database, menu, gallery, offers, location, and WhatsApp CTA, and even a mobile-friendly layout. I'll also ask it to use image generation for premium food visuals because visuals are what separates a basic 5,000 rupees site from something a client might pay 25,000 rupees for. Now MuleRun starts planning and executing the task. This is where it becomes different from a normal chatbot. It's creating assets, building the page, preparing the layout, setting up the booking flow, and generating a live output. Once the website is ready, I'm not going to accept it immediately because the client is not paying for the first draft. They're paying for the final result. So now I'll ask MuleRun to improve the website. I want stronger hero visuals, a cleaner booking form, better menu layout, and a polished mobile version. Now this looks like something you can actually show a restaurant owner. We have a live website with domain, booking database, menu, gallery, offers, location, and even a WhatsApp CTA. Now this is the first deliverable. And a student can charge around 5,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees for a website like this, depending on the quality and the client. And now that the website is ready, we can use the same restaurant context to build the entire brand. Now let's give Urban Tandoor a proper identity because a website alone is not enough. If a restaurant wants to look premium online, it needs to have a logo, colors, font, brand tone, and a consistent Instagram style. And this is where I'll use MuleRun's image generation and brand planning. I'll create the logo first. For the style, I don't want something loud, cheap, or cartoonish. I want it to feel premium, warm, and suited to modern Indian dining. So I'll ask for deep red, charcoal, gold, and cream colors with a minimal tandoor and flame-inspired symbol. It should work on Instagram, the website, menus, and even the packaging. Now I'll generate a few options because the first result is not always the best. Here, I'm looking for 3 things. The logo should be readable, it should be premium, and it should work across different places like a website, Instagram, menu, and even the packaging. Once I pick the strongest logo, I'll turn it into a full brand kit. For the brand kit, I want MuleRun to take the logo and the website direction to convert it into a proper visual system, like the color palette, the font direction, tone, Instagram style, menu design, and even the positioning. Now this part is important. I'll click Save to Knowledge, and this helps MuleRun to remember the restaurant's logo, style, positioning, and brand direction for the rest of the project. So when I create social content, the output doesn't feel random. It follows the same restaurant name, same colors, same tone, same menu style, and same customer positioning. And now that the website, logo, and brand kit are ready, I'll create the 15-day Instagram content pack. For this, I want something I can actually show a restaurant owner, like post ideas, captions, carousel concepts, reel hooks, hashtags, image prompts, festival posts, and a posting calendar. Now this is no longer just I can manage your Instagram. Now this is the real package. You get a logo, a brand kit, captions, and a full Instagram calendar. And a student can easily sell this for rupees 3,000 to 10,000 or turn it into a monthly content service. And now that we have the website, branding, and the content plan, next, let's create the ads. For this, just create a new task and click on Create Video. This is where we can create UGC-style video ads. Now, just write call sedans plus your prompt like I'll ask for hot biryani, steam rising, a spoon lift, rich Indian restaurant lighting, and a simple offer overlay, college combo starting at 199. For the settings, I'll write 916 because this is for reels and shorts. I'll set the resolution to 1080p, duration to 15 seconds, and your video will be ready in just a few minutes. Then I'll switch to Kling V3 and generate one more version. This gives me multiple ad options instead of one random result. Now we have a full UGC ad package with video output, captions, final selected creative, and a clear reason why this is the best version. And students can easily sell this for 3,000 to 12,000 per video depending on the final quality. And so far, we have built the website, brand kit, social content and video ads. Now let's turn this from a one-time project into a recurring service. And this is where I'll use Computer. The website, branding and video ads were creative deliverables. But Computer is perfect for a separate operational task like a weekly restaurant marketing support. Now restaurants don't just need one website or one post. Every week they need new offers, new content ideas, updated customer replies and quick summary of what to post. So I'll open Computer and give it this task. I wanted to create a weekly marketing operations workflow for Urban Tandoor. Every Friday it should prepare a weekend dinner offer, a WhatsApp broadcast message, an Instagram story message, 5 social media posts for the next week, 3 customer reply suggestions for common restaurant questions, and a short work summary for the restaurant owner. Now this is a different job. The website was a deliverable, the brand kit was a deliverable, the video ads were deliverable, but Computer is helping with ongoing operations. For scheduling, I'll ask MuleRun to run this workflow every Friday at 5 p.m. Now this becomes more than a one-time delivery. You're selling an ongoing automation with weekly offers, updated replies, content ideas and full marketing support. And a student can charge extra for this as a monthly retainer. Next, I'll open Drive, which gives you 100 GB of storage, so all your website files, studio assets, brand kit, pages, videos and workspace outputs stay organized in one single place. And finally, let's quickly look at CLI. CLI means command line interface. Basically, it helps advanced users run MuleRun from the terminal instead of only using the web interface. So if you're a CA student, developer or freelancer managing multiple client projects, CLI can help you run agents, manage projects and call workflows faster. Beginner students can use a normal interface and advanced students can use CLI to scale the workflow. So that's the full package. A 50,000 rupees restaurant project built using MuleRun in just about 2 hours. Now if you sign up with my referral link, you'll get 700 free credits right away. Plus your first month of the super plan is 50% off. On top of that, if you join the MuleRun community, you'll get another 2,000 credits completely free, plus a 50% off on the annual plus plan. Now everything is already in the description, and if you're a student, comment below which service would you like to sell first: websites, brand kits, video ads or automation. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mobile App Daily for more AI tools, tech breakdowns and practical ways to earn money in the real world.